Ever wondered how to make the ultimate pizza at home? Craving that perfect blend of sausage, cheese, and bacon, but not sure how to bring it all together? Well, today, we're going to uncover the secrets to creating that mouth-watering homemade pizza that's sure to impress. No need for a fancy wood-fired oven or professional culinary experience, just a few simple ingredients, a regular kitchen oven, and a passion for good food. So, what will you need? Firstly, gather up a pound of fresh Italian sausage. Make sure it's high quality. This is the star of the show after all. Next, a generous handful of shredded mozzarella cheese, and don't forget a half pound of crispy bacon. For the base, you'll need a pre-made pizza dough, a cup of pizza sauce, and a sprinkle of cornmeal for that extra crunch. Now let's dive into the steps. First, preheat your oven to a piping hot 475 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, spread your pizza dough on a pizza stone or baking sheet, lightly dusted with cornmeal. Next, spread a generous layer of pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Now, sprinkle half of the shredded mozzarella cheese evenly over the sauce. Then, evenly distribute the sausage and bacon over the cheese. Once that's done, sprinkle the remaining cheese on top. This will create a beautiful, gooey layer that locks in all the flavors. Pop the pizza into the preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden and the crust is crispy. And there you have it, the ultimate homemade pizza, packed with sausage, cheese, and bacon. The perfect blend of flavors and textures, all in the comfort of your own home. So, to recap, preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your dough on a pizza stone or baking sheet dusted with cornmeal. Spread pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a crust border. Sprinkle half the cheese over the sauce. Distribute the sausage and bacon evenly over the cheese. Sprinkle the remaining cheese on top. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the cheese is golden and the crust is crispy. Pizza night will never be the same again. So go ahead, roll up those sleeves and start creating your own ultimate pizza masterpiece. Bon appetit!